how to translate something easily on your Brave. So in this video I will show you guys how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first you will open your Brave, then you will search for something in your browser. For example, I change for this, for example, this script, I wanna translate it. So what I can do, I will just come to this tree, point right here and click translate. And then as you see, I will wait because it is on French. For me, I understand French, but I'm just using this. As you see right now, everything is changed. And now I will move it to French, as you see, and right now to English. If I wanna add another language, I will just click here. I will click more language and add my language that you wanna use. So that's it, guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you another